Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyan Tech. Today in this video, I will show you how to install the Python in Windows operating system. So before going to install the Python in your system, first we need to check whether the Python is already installed in your system or not. For that, first open the command prompt. So the command prompt you can open in the search box. Just type cmd and click on enter. So a black screen like this will open here. This is the command prompt. Now here you type python space --version. Enter. So now if Python is already not installed in your system, you will get a message like this: Python was not found. If Python is already installed in your system, then you will get the Python version number which was installed in your system. If you are getting Python was not found, then you need to install the Python in your system to work with the Python. Let us see how to install the Python from the official website. For this, first open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. So now here search Python download. Now here you will get the official website www.python.org. Now you click on this and then you just keep the cursor on here downloads. Now you can see here download for Windows. So there are two ways are there here. So you can download Python install manager, otherwise standalone installer for Python. So now let us click on this Python standalone installer. Okay. Now it will start downloading the installer. Okay. Then go to downloads. Now here you double click this installer file. Now you'll get a screen like this. Now here an important point you need to do is, here if you can observe two checkboxes here. Now you need to check these two checkboxes. Sometimes first checkbox may be already checked. So now, but second one must have to check. Why? Because if you don't check this second box, then Python will not run properly. So you must have to check this add python.exe to path. Okay, then click on install now. Then click on yes. Now it will start downloading the Python in your system. It will take 1 or 2 minutes depending upon the operating system speed. Right. So now the Python was successfully installed in your system. So now when you are getting setup was successful means Python is successfully installed in your system. Now you need to check whether Python is successfully installed in your system. So the same procedure you need to follow what I said before. Open the command prompt. So simply type cmd in the search box and hit on enter. So then command prompt will be opened here. Now here what we need to type: Python space --version. Enter. Now as Python is installed in my system, so here I am getting the version number. The latest version number I installed is 3.14.5. okay. So now I want to execute the Python program. Then how I can execute? Okay, in the search box you type simply IDLE. So now this IDLE you will get when you install the Python. Okay, click on this IDLE. You will get a screen like this. So now this is the IDLE shell which is related to Python version 3.14.5. Now here this IDLE shell is in interpreter mode. Now here in interpreter mode you can execute one line of code. So here you can print hello world. So then you are getting the hello world. So only one line of code you can execute. If you want to sum of two numbers, 4 plus 8, so 12 you are getting here. Okay, so like this, if you want to execute one simple line of code, then you can use this command prompt. So you can use this IDLE cell. Okay, otherwise suppose if you want to execute a sequence of lines of code, then go to the file, take a new file. Now one untitled file will open like this. Now here you can write any number of lines of code. So now let us write here. I am writing print hello world. So if your screen is showing a small text, then you can increase this by going into the options. So go to options, configure IDLE. So then here size is 10 is available. So then you can make it to 25 or 29 so that the text will be visible a bit bold. Okay, so now if you want to get the line numbers also, so under the options, show line numbers will be there, so that how many lines you are typing. So now those line numbers will be displayed here in the left side. So now one line I have written, then I'm writing another line, hello print welcome to Abhyan Tech. Okay, so now here I am writing 2 lines of code. After writing 2 lines of code, first you need to save the file. Go to file and then save, or simply Ctrl S also you can type, and I am saving the file in the downloads. Now how to save the file? What is the file name? File name you can take anything. So now I am taking hello, but the extension of every Python file will be .py. So click on save. Now the program has been saved into downloads. Now if you want to run the program, here there is an option run is available. Okay, so now click on run and then run module. Otherwise shortcut is F5 also you can do. Okay, click on the run module. Now you will get the output here. As we have written 2 print statements, the output here you are getting hello world, welcome to Abhyan Tech. Okay, so now previous data is also available on the IDLE cell. So if you want to run freshly, we need to close this IDLE cell. So then run again. So now here you are getting 2 print statements, which are first print statement hello world, next print statement welcome to Abhyan Tech. Okay, this is the way of installing Python in your system and executing your first program. Thank you.